For the informant minor, there is a case of murder and rape of a minor girl. But the person who came for bail, his lawyer, I could not locate my name. Yeah, her phone number is also not available.
What is
I
your
want to take time for 2 weeks to file objection against the bail application. A very serious case, Honor. Of course, the person is in jail, accused in jail. Evidence is completed.
Who is assisting you?
Mr. M.R. Adhikari.
MR Odhikari?
Yes.
Mr. Sharma, ask him to be here when the matter will be
Okay.
called for.
Okay.
We will pass the next.
I'd like to mention item number 21, Miller. Matter may be taken after.
List after 3 weeks.
We return the CDM. Update CDM.
Item 20.
21.
21, man. It's a commercial quantity, man.
Yes, sir. After Bihu.
List on 29th of April on the periodic council for
29.
get back the case diary by that time.
Published.
May it please also I am praying for listing of a BA, my lord. If possible, for day after tomorrow.
Not day after tomorrow. Do you have it tomorrow or after 2nd?
Then tomorrow, my lord.
When did you file?
Yesterday.
You have the,
Monday.
you have the
Filing number is 2722. Apply.
My lord, this is an application for pre-arrest bail, my lord. Maybe listed tomorrow, my lord.
When did you file?
Yesterday, my lord.
You have the filing number?
Yes.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 29 and 34. Kindly matter will be adjourned for the day.
It will come after BU vacation.
Okay. God bless you. And 34.
29 and
34.
34.
God bless your lordship.
Can go.
so 4 weeks. No date to be fixed.
May I please beg to mention for listing of a BA, Your Lordship, it was last listed on 20th of January. Supposed to be listed after 2 weeks, but has
Not
not
yet
been
listed.
listed.
We'll have it on 1st of April.
Lordship on 3rd, Your Lordship. Tomorrow,
Third?
on Friday, if possible, Your Lordship.
Not given.
Because already more than 4 years he is in leadership.
We understood. We'll have it on 3rd of April.
Third, Your Lordship.
Give the date and fill.
Okay.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I am praying for listing of a bail application, Lordship. That was supposed to be listed yesterday, Lordship, as per Lordship's order, but that was not listed. And other matters, Lordship has fixed it on 2nd. A bunch of matters, they have, Lordship has fixed it on 2nd. So this matter also will come up on 2nd.
Give the number and mention memo.
Yes,
Along with those.
all the numbers I am giving you.
And along with those cases on 2nd.
Yes, 2nd.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31 for adjournment.
Yes. What is your prayer?
For adjournment, lordship.
On the periodic council for the petitioner list after 4 weeks. On the date to be fixed by the village. Just a minute. 31 to write over. Wait for few minutes. Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, your lordship.
1-4.
Matter may be adjourned for the day, your lordship. The conducting council is out of session, your lordship.
Next week. On the date to be fixed by the village.
Your lordship may fix any date before.
It will come next week. Don't worry.
May I please, your lordship. With regards to item number 16, lordships.
1-6.
1-6. The matter is wrongly listed before this bench, lordship. The different accused has been granted bail arising out of the same FIR, lord.
It should go to before which court?
Justice M. Thakuria, lordships.
Mr. A. Dharnukal and its counsel appearing for the petitioner's coming. Matter to be placed before. Registry shall verify. Place it accordingly. Okay.
May I please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, your lordship. Your lordship, this matter may be adjourned for 1 week, your lordship. Having some personal difficulties, your lordship.
You have the case diary.
No, my lord, here we have not received the cases.
The case diary have to come from which police?
Your lordship, it's from Dubri.
Hubri.
Yes, your lordship.
Senior.
From Hubri. 23rd. 23rd of April.
Hello.
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 46, madam.
Yes.
Another date may be fixed, madam.
CD notice, 46, 46.
46.
From which police station?
Badarpur Police Station, Karimganj, madam.
Karimganj.
Badarpur.
Karimganj police station or
Badarpur, madam.
Borderpur police station? It will be on 24th.
My lord. 24.
Obliged.
Item number 46.
46, madam.
Obliged.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Mr. Lordship, I beg to mention item 26.
Yes.
In
what's your
this case,
plan?
Lordship, inadvertently, a typographical error was made in the cost title. As such, wrong LCR was called for. Lordship, may kindly allow us to.
Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. Let the mention be over. We'll pass the order.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing a bail application.
When did you file?
Today, itself.
What is the filing number?
2795.
Filing number. What time you have filed?
That's it.
What time you have filed?
Today, itself. When filed? You have filed the. File করছে আজকে ফেলতে today itself there today itself
When do you want?
day after tomorrow
Not day after tomorrow. It will come on 1st of April.
first April
Yes, Mr. Goswami.
Madam, we filed an application for NDPS bail, madam, item number 40.
14.
Yes, madam. We received instruction. 40, madam.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Charge sheet has been filed in that case.
You approach for regular.
He was called, yes, madam. If you also kindly observe that.
You have the file, the charge sheet number.
number was given by my learned senior pen.
You have the number.
Yes, sir.
Kindly.
20, charge number 29/2025.
Date you have.
29/2005 dated 22/2025. 22.
22
Dated 28th of February, madam.
28
20th.
20.
202.
20.
Okay, we'll pass the necessary order.
Charge number 29.
We'll pass the necessary order.
Right.
Matidi will give. Yes, Mr. Lord.
Regarding item number 45, madam, perhaps case diary is not available. Not available. 45. 45.
Bomb which police station?
Jogi Gupa, my lord. We are on interim.
Mr. Sharma?
My lord, not
Well-
this. My lord. After the my lord.
24th.
My lord.
Children police.
24. Interim may be extended, my lord. I'm deeply of it. Utah City Corporation, no? Utah City Corporation. Both the city. My lord.
I'll give it the.
Second month, please.
Yes, Ms. Deka, what should be the case number?
Lordship, 148/2022. 148/2022.
14?
8/22. Lordship.
Instead of 21, it should be 22.
Yes, Lordship.
What's your good name?
Q Kiba Lordship.
Matter relates to NCB Guwahati plan number 31/2021. Under section 22 within bracket capital C /8 within bracket capital C of the NDPS Act. After filing of the offense report / search sheet Say NCB Guwahati crime number 31 oblique to the paragraph has been registered and numbered as NDPS case number 148 oblique 2022 and presently pending before the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS cum additional session judge number 3 Kamrup Metro at Guwahati. Petitioner is in custody in said NDPS Act, NDPS case number 148 oblique 2022 arising out of NCB Guwahati crime number 31 oblique 2021 since 03/01/2022. Hard such and such right. It is submitted that inadvertently in the cause title instead of NDPS case number 148 oblique 2022. It inadvertently typed as 148 oblique 2022. Though the NCB crime case number is the same, I 31 oblique 2021. By order dated 11/03/2025, the court called for the records of NDPS case number 148 oblique 2021, which should have 148 oblique 2022, has been confirmed by Ms. M. Decker, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. SCKL, standing counsel and saying. Call for the legible scan copy of the records of NDPS case number 148 of the 2022, along with the copy of the records of NCB crime number, NCB Guwahati crime number 31 of the 2021 from the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS. From additional section judgment, list on same date 26. Petitioner is allowed to correct the cause title of NDPS case number. Substitute the NDPS case number 148 of the 2021 by NDPS case number 2022 in the cause title by putting her initials during the course of the day.
Right, Your Lordship.
List on 26. 26 28 as on receiver 22/04/2022. Yes.
31.
Just a reminder, the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS cum additional section judge number 2 Kamrup Metro Guwahati for the records of NCB case number 161 oblique 2022 along with the records of NCB crime number 02/2022 from the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS cum additional section judge number 2 Kamrup Metro Guwahati as on Friday list on 28.
Highly appreciated.
Heard Mr. B.T. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, some for this day. So heard. Observe Mr. G. Ahmed, counsel appearing for the informant.
My lord, if I may add my,
During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that police, after completion of the investigation of the case, submitted the search sheet in Ding Police Station case number 227/2024. White search sheet number 29/2025 on 20/02/2025. In view of the above, the petitioner may approach the appropriate forum. I report of
my
last
lord,
special judge.
may I pray, madam, both of them are government servants, my lord. There's-
They immediately approach, no problem.
If your lordship will kindly observe.
That cannot be. Approach the Court of London Special Judge. Boxo. Nogam. Do we have the, okay, let us see if we can, okay. In CR case number 3771/2024, arising out of Ding Police Station case number 227/2024 for the irregular bit.
Much of it.
We have books.
May please, your lordship. So you have instruction to withdraw this matter.
Heard Mr. S. Nawal, learned counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. P. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state.
Please.
The petitioner namely filed this application under section 483 BNSS. On 24/02/2025, paying for his bail. In BNSS case number 208/2024. Under section 365 of 376 of 511 of 34. IPC. Reviewed section 12 of BPOC. Corresponding to GR number 692/2024. In which he is in custody since 21/01/2025. On instruction of the petitioner. Whether, okay, which. Now. Registered and numbered as special case number 552/2024. Deputy Court of London Special Judge Boxo. From Additional Session Judge. Dhubri. After filing of the search sheet. In say to BPS case number 2. BPS case number such. Purpose applicable in which he is in custody. On instruction, Mr. Nawaz, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner is not pressing this bail application. Following dismiss. Praise for withdrawal of this, but not pressing it, hence dismissed. Okay. To which Mr. P. Sharma.
I'm deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this is a POCSO matter, my lord. Charge seated, my lord.
As Dr. Within bucket JR later. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and Mr. P. Sharma. Call for the records of special NDPS case number 79/2023. Eligible scan copy. Along with a copy of the records of Badarichera Police Station case number 138/2023, corresponding to tier number 1449/2023, from the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS cum Session Judge Sri Bhumi within bracket Korimganj, as on 11th, list on 25th.
Objection.
Yes, Mr. Raja.
Lordship, my analysis page 19. No grounds, no reasons, nothing is there. Lordship.
Get your notice returnable by 10th of April. Call for the records of copy of the records of Saigon Police case number 73/2025. List accordingly on submission. Sir, extra copy to him.
CD.
You file your objection along with your CD. Kent.
Make this a Lordship. Lordship, kindly tell us page 41, madam. But I was arrested in this case on 10/8/2024. At the time of arrest, madam, I was issued with a notice which states nothing, madam. Page 41, Lordship, I kindly have a look.
Heard Mr. M. Chaudhary, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor for the issue notice returnable by
10th of April, madam.
second,
Madam, 10th of April, if possible.
not possible. We have to have the records.
Friday, madam, 11th of April, madam.
It will not come from,
Karimganj seafood.
right? Karimganj is just to cannot fly. Okay. Copy of the 10 legible copy of the records of. Special NDPS case number 88/2024. Arising out of Karimganj Police Station case number 502/2024. Corresponding to tier number 1585/2024. From the Court of Learned Special Judge NDPS Sri Bhumi within bracket Karimganj, as on 11th, list on 25th. Same order. Mr. Sharma,
My lord,
there is raising the issue,
my lord,
not furnishing the grounds and reasons
my lord.
at the time of their arrest. So you need to file your objection, if any. So you are supposed to file affidavit.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Doctor.
Lordship, this is under NDPS like intermediate quantity, Lordship. He was arrested on 5/3/2025, Lordship. Another bail application, Lordship, PA number 891/2025, Lordship. That was
Just it.
fixed on 10th, Lordship. On the same.
এই শর্মা ফটক ফটক নোহোৱা হৈ কিয় যায় ধৰিবই নোৱাৰা তুমি মানে Please take your seat, Mr. Du. List on 10-4-2025, along with BA 891-2025 and AB. Mr. Sharma, Mr. Goswami, just keep a note of one AB 690/2025. This has to come along on 10th. Same FIR, same FIR. I don't know whether it has been listed or not. Give the number 690/2025. Okay, list on such and such along with
On 10th letter.
40. Yes, yes.
I would like.
AB to need to AB to order one and I seen it. Yes, Mr. Rana.
May I please, my lord, very unfortunate boy, my lord, languishing in jail, my lord, without committing any crime, my lord. Page number 9 is the FIR, my lord, kindly have a look, my lord. The informant is my own sister-in-law, my lord. After getting up in the morning, while she found that her scooty is not in parking place, my lord, so, my lord, she informed the police, my lord. Later on, she came to know that it was not stolen, my lord, but
Get
taken
the
by
case
me.
there, you will have it on second.
My lord,
Okay,
my lord,
but get the case there.
My-
For sister.
my lord, Bohisto, my lord. Second, my lord. My lord, may I play for on 5th, my lord? After the
You will
my
not be
lord.
available for it. Okay.
5th.
Okay, on 5th,
My lord.
Saturday. Mr. Sharma,
My lord,
get the case there.
my lord. Oh, my lord.
Scooty has been recovered or not?
My lord, recovered. Affidavit also given. One affidavit has been also
Fine.
performed.
Or Mr. Sharma, if you can get an information from the IO, we can have it in the second half.
My lord, whether it is recovered or not. My
It is recovered and will now
I'll-
it is custodial, it is not required.
Yeah.
Get the information at
I will take it.
collaborate 2 o'clock.
Not at 7.
May I please, your lordship, such is it, Mr. Lordship, NDPS. Can copy of
Mr. K. Ali. Legible scan copy. Of NDPS case number 316. Public 2022. Along with the copy of the NCB crime number 17 of 2022. From the Court of Knowledge, Special Judge NDPS, Additional Session Judge number 5, Kamruk, Metro Guwahati. As on same 11th, list on 25th. So,
Highly obliged.
Lord,
May it please, your lordship, my lord, NDPS arrested on 21/11/24 charge sheeted.
records of special NDPS case number 108 of 2024. Along with the records of copy of the records of Borderpur Police Station case number 262/2024. Corresponding to GR number 1902/2024. From the Court of London Special Judge NDPS comes session Sri Bhumi. Same date here. 11/24. 25th, actually, no? 25th. Okay. Register judicial.
Well, date has been given.
25th. The record we have called for as on 11th of April, we will get it on 25th.
Can it be before 10th, Mala?
So see, thereafter vacation is there. I mean, the 14th district judiciary also.
Before 10th, Mala.
They won't come. That is the thing.
Let us try, Mala, because 15 days time will be there. 8 or 9, Mala.
Don't expect it for Bihu. We can prepone it up to 22nd or maybe like that. Not before Bihu.
All right, Mala.
That is the reason we have fixed on 25th. Sure to get the case record. That's the reason.
All right.
Okay, next.
9.
Also, when you state the petitioner is in custody since 603 days. And this is based on the NDPS 21C. And your lordship, in the earlier occasion, the bail was dismissed on the ground that a wrong statement was made by the then engaged counsel that the trial of the aforesaid case was complete and judgment was awaited for the petitioner, would not like to press for the bail application, for which the same was being dismissed, and they would not like to press the bail application. And in this, the petitioner in this case is also a writ petition is pending, your lordship. The writ petition for habeas corpus for the illegal detention of the accused person is still pending for disposal, your lordship. We have mentioned it in the para number 25. The case is pending in the Court of Additional District and Session Judge number 1, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati, your lordship. I have annexed the last order at page 34, which is fixed for physical production and prosecution evidence on 7/4/25. 3 number of witnesses are being yet examined. And the last dismissal order is at page 35.
Mr. S. Ahmed, counsel for the petitioner. And MS Deka, learned counsel on behalf of Mr. SCKL, standing counsel NCB. For the respondent. Call for the legible scan copy of the NDPS case number 16/2024. Along with the copy of the records of NCB crime number 12/2023. Pending before the Court of London Special Judge within bracket NDPS. Come London Additional Session Judge number 1, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. As on 11th, less than 25th. Register judicial.
Your lordship, 483 bail application.
Case.
Your lordship, by an earlier order, this honorable court allowed the petitioner to appear before the appropriate forum. However, your lordship, the petitioner is languishing in jail since more than 120 days, your lordship. It has been 4 months, your lordship. The order is at page number 20.
Call for the record check.
Say, what my bench assistant has stated, in the morning we have allowed a particular lawyer to correct the cost title. So he's now missing with the file.
Scan phone. Immediately file jama. Immediately.
Ms. Deka, you are in that case. Item 26. Do you have the file with you? 26.
Item 26. 26 NCB, my lord.
26 is NCB.
NCB.
You see the file? It needs to be cross-checked. Henceforth will not allow you. এইখিনি জায়গাৰ পৰা সবকে উলিয়াই দিয়ক। ফোন নম্বৰটো পাব, ফোন কৰি দিয়ক।
Your lordship, one prayer is that before
Mr. Yanni, as counsel for the petition, Mr. B. Sharma, call for the records of special POCSO case number 02/2025. Eligible scan copy लिखे, along with the records of police station case number 221/2024.
Hello, notice will go.
Corresponding to GR number 3716/2024. From the Court of London Special.
Receive, my lord.
Just a minute, we'll just see. Oh. Lekha. Hard MS SB Burwal and the counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Also heard Mr. R.P. Sharma, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.R. Odhikari, London Counsel, for the informant. Respondent number 2. Peruse the office note dated 24/03/2025. Issue reminder to the Court of London Special Judge POCSO cum Session Judge Sonitpur Tezpur for the records of special within bracket POCSO case number 45/2023, along with the records of copy of the records of equally eligible
Part of that particular matter comes here because a contract was signed between the petitioner and the informant in the year 2020 in the name of Plancraft Company, which he was acting as a managing director at that point of time. And the matter involved regarding purchase of a 14-tire JCB truck for amounting to 24 lakhs, out of which the informant had already paid 15 lakhs along with a token money advance of 10,000. Now what has happened is that, kindly peruse to page number 14. That is the 15, my lord. That is the money received. And in that particular money receipt, the conditions are very well incorporated. Kindly come below, page number 15, Plancraft. Terms and conditions. Full booking amount must be cleared within 1 month. No cancellations or refunds after booking. Vehicle delivery only after complete payment. And then we come down, deposited amount will be forfeited if payment is not cleared on time. Now what has happened is that this informant, he has paid that money by 12/8/2020, because this deal was done on 30/11/2020, out of which now he has not paid the remaining amount. Now, what has happened is that he has sought that amount which he has paid as advance money from the petitioner. And the petitioner, even after there was a contract between the company and the informant, then also he has repaid back around 2 lakhs rupees, which has been reflected by a money receipt, which shows that he has paid back 2 lakhs rupees. That is Annexure C, page number 16. Now, the fact is that, yes, maybe due to the fact that the informant, maybe because of some constraints, he may not be able to purchase the vehicle, but he has not paid the remaining amount. Now, this particular contract directly shows that if he is not going to pay the full amount, then that money may be forfeited also. But it is subject to, there will be some sort of settlement negotiations also. And if he is able to pay the total amount, then this vehicle may be again handed over to him. Now, since this particular issue pertains to the jurisdictional area of Guwahati, this particular info. My lord?
Why Guwahati?
Yes, because this particular company, Plane Craft, was situated at Guwahati at 6 Mile at that point of time when this contract was done. Page number 15, my lord. Kindly see the address also. Guwahati, it is there, Guwahati 781022, Plane Craft. It was situated at that point of time. Now, only of the fact that this particular informant, he has transferred around 15 lakhs from Dimapur, from SDFC account. So maybe he is taking that plea that the jurisdictional will come in Nagaland. But actually, this matter is actually a civil nature in case. And this should be tried by civil suit, if required, that if he wants to get back the money. Now, what has happened is that this Nagaland police, they have issued this summon and they have wanted him to appear. This person is...
Appropriate application before the Kohima bench. You have a provision?
Yes, my lord.
Get the relief. Not in a
yes,
year.
my lord. Only fact is that Annexure D, calling, my lord.
Case has been registered before the Dimapur police station, right?
Yes, my lord.
So you have a remedy before the
Absolutely.
bench.
Only fact is that, my lord.
And that bench is sitting regularly.
Yes, my lord. Only fact is that he is apprehending this particular...
Not at this stage.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
This has been registered, whatever, it might have been registered wrongly. But you have a remedy before the appropriate
Absolutely.
place.
My lord, he is actually not in a position to go up to Nagaland. Because
you need not go to Nagaland. You can
My lord,
access your counsel from here itself.
In fact, 2 times he has not appeared before the police
We're not in
investigation.
It's up to you whether you want to have the remedy from the appropriate bench or not. If you are saying that the jurisdictional point has to be taken before the appropriate forum, not here.
yes, my lord, totally right, my lord. Only the fact is that since now he is not well, he wants to...
Whatever, you have a remedy, you need not go to Nagaland for that.
My lord. My lord, the fact is that now he has to do the, we will be filing it here and then we'll be taking it up.
Why you need to file it here? You have to only file before the notary only. It will be filed in the Kohima bench.
My lord,
I don't have to suggest you what you have to do.
Yes, my
There is a bench available for the Kohima bench, it's up to you. We are not interfering in this bill application.
My lord. My lord, at least some protection till he recovers.
Mr. Medhi doesn't arise. Shall we dismiss it or will you withdraw? Up to you.
My lord, will withdraw it, my lord. And we'll try to take the correct jurisdiction, my lord.
You have a remedy. Why
Yes,
you
yes.
are here.
Only the fact is that since this contract was performed here in Guwahati, my lord.
Maybe, whatever. Maybe the office was in Guwahati, maybe at during the relevant, you can take that issues before the appropriate forum by filing appropriate application.
Yes, my lord. And because of the consideration of his health, actually, my lord, he is suffering from infective hepatitis.
Government advocate.
So he's not in
Public prosecutor?
My lord.
As public prosecutor?
Lordship.
Public prosecutor. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, public prosecutor, some court respondent. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. W. R. Medhi, Learned Counsel, has praised for withdrawal of this pre-arrest bail application.
With liberty, my lord, to file.
In East Police Station, Dimapur.
Dimapur.
The entry number 24/2025 dated 21/01/2025. To its counsel for the respondents have no objection. Petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Liberty has been to file a appropriate application before the appropriate court.
Obligement.
Oblige.
My lord, standing counsel of Excise Department is present.
My lord, perhaps it's a PS case where Excise Act has been also incorporated. We have no role out here, my lord.
Because since we'll be passing any such order, that is the reason.
Almost 2 months, my lord, he is in jail. And the Kuwait was already enlarged on bail.
61 BNS 61 305 317.
And basically, I am the driver, your lordship. And I have annexed the registration certificate, there is annexer C. Register owner is some different person.
Theft in building house. Means of গাড়ি কোন This one is concealment. Full one. One big organized crime.
Because Mr. P.K. Sharma, and counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Pursuant to the direction of the court, Mr. D. Gogoi, standing counsel, Assam Excise Department, have also entered appearance in the matter. On being inquired, Mr. Gogoi and his standing counsel, Excise Department of the state, submitted that since the petitioner has been arrested in Dokmoka Police Station, case number 06/2025 under section 40. The Excise Department has no role pertaining to the bail of the petitioner, and it is the state. Petitioner, namely such and such, filed this application under section 483 BNSS on 11/03/2025, praying for his bail in Dokmoka Police Station, case number such and such, under section such and such. The rejection such and such.
আগতে আছে আগতে পুলিশ পাওয়ার আছে
And is in custody since 0302 to 2025. Matter relates to recovery of 114 numbers of 114 cartoons of Kingfisher can beer within bracket 500 ml each. Meant for Arunachal sale. Meant for sale in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. And 65 cartoon of TUBORG can beer 500 ml each. Also mean for state of sale of Arunachal Pradesh in this also mean for its sale in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. In total 205 cartoon of beers transported in one 12-wheeler vehicle bearing registration number AS01 KC 6645 from concealed in its secret chamber. It was driven by the petitioner and was intercepted at Dokmoka under Dokmoka police station. District Karbi Anglong during Nakachaking when it was on its way to the state of Manipur. For sale of those cartoons of beers loaded from a godown at Banderdua near Nirzula of Arunachal Pradesh. For selling purpose to a party from Manipur of Mandir Pukuri. Accordingly, Dokmoka police station case number such and such was registered.
Mr. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submitted that the court earlier granted bail to one of the co-accused arrested in the case, namely Surendra Kumar Pandit, by order dated 10/03/2025, passed in bail application number 487/2025. Here is the case diary placed before the court today by Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor. It is seen that the in 205 cartoons of beers along with the 12-wheeler truck bearing registration number such and such have already been seized in said Dokmoka PS case. Considering his detention in custody since 03/02/2025, the court is of the view that further custodial detention is not required. Agor bill of 30,000, 30,000 two local cell. Satisfaction report of learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Karbi Anglong Difu. Condition to take it up.
My lord, you is a very poor person.
Yes.
One security will be sufficient, if possible. Very poor person.
That is the reason why he should not have done it.
Obliged.
Return the case. Also.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship? Since the lordships are ordered for personal appearance, they are present, madam. IO and the OC, madam.
Only when the order of personal appearance is given, everything comes by. What is the reason?
Yes, my lord. I apprise your lordship what has happened, my lord. If your lordship permit me, my lord. Regarding the, my lord, officer in charge, my lord, he has joined on 21st of this month, my lord. That is one part, my lord. And regarding the, my lord, IO, my lord, IO, he has, from the record, I have seen, my lord, that he has given a W2 message on 10/12/2024. 10/12/2024 regarding the filing of charge sheet in the case, my lord. But somehow, my lord, it has not reached to the office, my lord. But as per his record, my lord, the W2 message was forwarded, my lord. That is on
Ask the OC whether
14/12.
ask the OC whether in his police station at Juria
Lordship.
there is a computer or not.
Yeah.
Ask.
Computer. Yes, it's
Was not it difficult for the whoever was there earlier to him?
Yes.
Or the concern IO to forward an email to you?
Yes, on WhatsApp also.
Even on
Yes.
WhatsApp, even an
Yes.
email or whatever.
Yeah,
Why?
exactly, my lord. Yes, that is what I have.
What is the
communicated.
number of the W2 message?
Yes, madam. May I forward this?
What is the number of the W2 message? Do you
I-
in the
yes.
case that he will have a copy?
Yes, ma'am. I think, no?
It is, my lord, P.P.WT 2024 53639, dated 10/12/24. Yes, sorry, my lord, sir, inconvenience, my lord, to the court, my lord.
If that is the case,
Lord, Lord.
why after the orders that have been passed in January, February,
Yeah.
and March, up to 4th March,
Lord, sir.
why there was no reply from the IO?
Yes, sir. My lord, as per them, my lord, since they have submitted, perhaps they, my lord, they thought, my lord.
That cannot be, Mr.
Yes,
Swami.
my lord, that is what their version, my lord, that
That
have already
cannot be.
forwarded.
Once they have filed the charge sheet, that doesn't mean if somehow it is not known to the
Yes,
office of
Lord.
the public prosecutor.
Lord.
And if the orders of the courts are passed and communicated to them,
Lord, sir.
are not answerable that the already charge sheet has been filed.
Yes, my lord.
But why?
What I have found, my lord, they have given the WT message and that was forwarded to PP office also, but here, there in between some miscommunication, my lord.
That cannot be a ground, Mr. Goswami.
Yes.
All lies everywhere in your office, in their office.
Yes, I also apologize for this, my lord.
I mean, this is not the way.
Sir.
What is the number of the WT message?
It is, my lord, signal number, Dogao P.P/WT/2024.
You have a copy? Just give it.
Lord, may I forward the copy? Okay? Kindly see in the heading part, my lord, S number, signal number, my lord, that is Dogao PP WT/24/53639, dated 10/12/24.
What is their statement that regarding the subsequent orders forwarded to them? The subsequent orders that have been passed by the court, your
Yes.
office have communicated.
Yes, my office has communicated, my lord.
Then what with regard to the?
It's not like the message to click your response.
What did it say?
He said that perhaps he has not received because the misfiling of the later orders, my lord. Since he has given the order, that is what.
Tell them what may be the consequences in non-compliance of the order of the.
I have explained in the morning also that it should not be done, my lord. At least they should have, my lord, forward it in a WhatsApp, at least, my lord. The
Heard Mr. MP Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. MP Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor Assam for the state. Also heard Mr. M. Rahman, learned counsel for the informant document number. Person to the order is the 20-03-2025. The officer in charge of Juria police station, namely Pragyan Gogoi, as well as the investigating officer of Juria police station case number 138/2024, namely Pinku Kupan, sub inspector of police, have appeared personally before the court.
On instruction, Mr. Goswami and additional public prosecutor submitted that by signal number Dogam PAG PP /WT /2024 /536/39 dated 10/12/2024. The concerned investigating officer of Juria Police Station case number 138/2024 informed the Office of the Public Prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, pertaining to the filing of the charge sheet in Juria PS case number 138/2024 by charge sheet number 151/2024 dated 31/07/2024. Which, however, could not be placed before the court by the learned prosecutor, by the Office of the Learned Prosecutor, Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, inadvertently. Mr. Goswami, Learned Counsel, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor, on instruction, also submitted that the subsequent orders of the court issued after issued from the 9/1/2025
Yes.
to 04/03/2025 were not received by the concerned investigating officer since the relevant file of Juria Police Station case number 138/2024 has already been submitted before the court. Mr. Goswami, the additional public prosecutor, also submitted that the officer in charge, the present officer in charge of Juria Police Station, Pragyan Gogoi, has joined his service in the said police station only on 21st of March 2025. Considering such submissions of Mr. Goswami and additional public prosecutor, both the police officers of the state henceforth are directed to comply with the orders of the court forthwith without any delay, and their personal appearance are dispensed with. As and submitted by Mr. Goswami and public prosecutor, that charge sheet in said Juria Police case number 138/2024 has already been submitted on 31/07/2024 against the petitioner. Under section 366, public 376 within bracket 3 IPC, read section 6 of the procedure. Who evaded arrest and did not appear before the IO during the investigation of the case, for which he was shown as an absconder in discharge sheet. May approach the appropriate forum, the Court of Learned Special Judge Foxo, Nagaon, for his regular bail. Moreover, anticipatory bills, less PRS paid under section 438, within bracket 4 of the IPC, relating to offense under section 376 within bracket 3 IPC. Equivalent to Senate 482 within bracket 4 of the BNS, equivalent section such and such 65. And 2 of the BNSS are not maintainable. Considering the state of it, the petitioner may approach the appropriate forum for its regular pay, if so advised. Sharma, here at a copy. Detail. Mr. Goswami informed him that in future they should be possession.
I am obliged, Lordship.
Obliged. Yeah, go to the order. Thank you.
Your Lordship. This matter involves a commercial quantity manner, charge-setted matter. If your Lordship will kindly see page number 20 manner of my petition, there are around 9 witnesses manner. Out of these 9 witnesses, around 7 witnesses have been examined. 8. Okay. My lord, I will not submit on merit, my lord. Lordship may examine the entire issue regarding their arrest in the light of the judgment of the Supreme Court in Vihan Kumar, my lord.
My something at this stage, my lord, 9 out of 8 has already, my lord, over, my lord. Let the matter maybe, my lord, direction maybe can be given to the learned trial court to pick up the only 1 witness is left, my lord. So there is no delay as such, my lord, violating the Article 21.
But regarding violation of Article 22, your Lordship may examine, my lord. They have already completed around 1 year, 8 months in custody.
Heard Mr. S. Das, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. P. M. P. Goswami, learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. by this application under section 483 BNSS filed on 31/08/2024. The petitioner has prayed for his bail in special case number 297/2023 arising out of Golokganj Police Station case number 301/2023 corresponding to GR number 1193/2023 under section 21 within bracket C oblique 22 within bracket small b oblique 29 of the NDPS Act. For recovery of case number 14/15 sorry, from the possession of the petitioner. The petitioner at this stage submitted that the prosecution at the time of their arrest did not comply with the provision of section 47 and 48 of the BNSS 2023 and thereby violated the provisions of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Though the said ground was not taken in the present bail application at the time of its filing. Issue notice, Mr. Goswami and additional public prosecutor submitted that out of 9 prosecution witnesses named in the charge sheet in the case, the prosecution has adduced evidence of 8 of such witnesses. And presently the matter is pending for recording of evidence of only one witness on behalf of the prosecution. State shall file its next issue notice to the state enabling it to file its reply by way of an affidavit pertaining to non-compliance of the provision of section 47-48 of the BNSS at the time of arrest of the petitioners. List on. Ninth.
The matter, one of the matter is of year 2023. So perhaps it will be CRPC matter. It is of the year 2020.
No, arrested on Wednesday. I think so arrested after the BNS came into.
15/7/2023.
Oh,
So
after
16 before
67.
50 CRPC matter.
57.
Highly obliged.
File your affidavit.
Lords.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this
Just a
case,
minute. Provision of 50 and 53 of the Yes.
lordship, in this case, petitioner were arrested on 26/9/2024, lordship.
As on today, Lordship, 182 days completed, Lordship, mandatory period is over, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami,
Lordship.
let us know at 2 o'clock.
So, man,
This is from Polaswari,
no,
whether charge sheet has been filed or whether extension has been paid for,
yes, madam, I'll just call for it.
right?
Yes, yes.
Bless.
We'll have it at 2 o'clock.
Okay. Bravo.
May it please your lordship. In this matter, this is a 483 application, BNSS. The petitioner was arrested on 11/5/2024, your lordship. The FIR is at page 10.
Yes.
Lordship will kindly take up page 17, the forwarding report. Here the police has given the date of birth. Kindly take up that page 16, 1/6. This is the forwarding, your lordship. At the ground of arrest part, your lordship.
Yes, I have seen that.
Yes, there it has been shown as 28/6/2020, 2006. So in 2024, she is just 1 year, 1 month less than 18 years, your lordship. That is one point, your lordship. Now, your lordship, the whole matter as per the, your lordship, the case of the petitioner is that in this case, your lordship, already the witnesses of the informant, the victim, as well as the one other witness, there's the mother of the victim, has already been taken, your lordship. 3 witnesses have taken place out of the 12 witnesses, and all these 3 witnesses, your lordship, I'll just rely on one thing, your lordship. The statement of the victim, your lordship, will kindly peruse the statement in 161, 164, and the evidence. In the 161 and 164, the victim has categorically stated that she had a love affair with this particular person, and she went from her home to his place, and from there she went to Delhi. In Delhi, they stayed for 4 months. Then they came back to Guwahati, and in Guwahati, when their father lost the FIR, then after that she has come back home. This is basically the issue. She has not given any, lordship, there was no allegation as against the petitioner in both 161 and 164. What are mostly similar. Now, what has happened in the evidence, your lordship, she has totally, your lordship, changed the version. Now she has said that she has been raped, she has been done this. This is why I am trying to point out the 3, your lordship will kindly see all the 3 161 statement of 164, as well as the deposition that was made by PW2 in the, your lordship, evidence. And then your lordship will find there is absolutely U-turn by the victim in this, in the evidence, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, they have no other allegations, because she has went on her own. She has stated that I knew that the other person is already married. Even then, I am interested in going with him. And they also, in one of the statements, she stated that she's also married him in Delhi. And one more submission was, your lordship, already in this case, the person is behind bar for about 10 months, 15 days. And your lordship, whether further custody is required or not, because going into the evidences, your lordship, what, and the statement of the accused, whether it is necessary. That is what my case is.
Please take your seat.
That's And one more, your lordship, the medical report has to be seen because she has refused medical examination. And there it has been stated as married.
How many prosecution witnesses are there?
My lord,
There
total
are
12, my
12, your lordship.
out of three.
Three have been examined as per my instruction.
Yes.
Who is Aklima Khatun?
happened to? What happened? Uma Khatun is wife of Anwar Ali.
Wife of the accused.
Yes.
Wife of the accused.
So you moved with the victim girl when your wife was pregnant of 25 weeks.
Yes.
It is in the records.
Maybe your lordship, I have not. Anyway, your lordship,
And you stayed away from her for 6 months.
and in fact, your lordship, the medical report saying she is pregnant. The victim
Your wife
also
is
is
also
pregnant.
pregnant. The victim girl is also has become
Victim girl
pregnant.
is
of 15
pregnant by
weeks.
5 months. Though the victim girl said that she has
15
miscarried, but that is not correct. It was a false information. From the medical record, it shows that she is 5 months pregnant.
Your wife filed an application for your bail, where she has given all these documents. While he was away
Lodge.
from her,
Mhm.
she was already pregnant.
Basically wrong, basically wrong live.
Wife pregnant.
पहले जो आपको एक चेक कोई नहीं दिया पतिया को चेक
देखा। Heard. Yes, ma'am, what do you have to say?
If considering her age, she being a minor, whether her consent should be valid under the Procedural.
It take into major vehicle. Now she's a major.
Allegations are there as per her evidence. She was confined in a room where she was sick and she was assaulted in her evidence.
Come this side and make your statement.
In her evidence, Your Lordship, she has stated that she was assaulted, where she was confined in a room. She was locked in the room. She was assaulted, and she was pregnant at that time, Lordship, for which she had a miscarriage.
One 160, 21. Ulta pixel. Negative point of view. News out by.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, what do you have to say?
Yes, Madam, regarding the age that my learned senior has pointed out that he is a major, Madam, that cannot be one because
Recovery of 1,26,300 from the possession of the petitioner. Filed on Likiva. Likisa Niki, filed on 27/01. By order dated 14/02/2025. The relevant records was called, were called along with it. Oregon Police Station, case number 74. On perusal of the case, the case records, it is seen that the
9. Special report is not there.
Yes, my FSL report is there.
Citing a
FSL cannabis, my lord, page 21, your lordship will find.
No, it is, but not this. No, look into it. And search it in the case was filed. Final. Outside, like, dot. Correct. Mr. Calculate. It is also seen that by order dated 24/02/20, after filing of the search slip in said Buragaon PS case number such and such. The said case on registered and numbered as NDPS case number 75 of the 2024 before the Court of London Special Judge NDPS Morigaon. The said court on 24/02/2025 frame charge under section same against the petition. What happened on 10th of March? Any idea?
It is not clear, my record is not come. Well, one witness that has examined on 10th March. 10th of March, one witness examined. First witness.
It is seen
from there
that on 10/03/2025, the London trial could have recorded the evidence of one of the prosecution witnesses. What is the next date?
My lord, 5/4, my lord, 5th of April.
And 05/04/2025 is the next date fixed for recording or evidence of other witnesses. Considering the materials in the case records, recovery of 40.86 kgs of ganja and such amount. Detention of inspector since such cannot be considered. Found it stands rejected. Side over with that.
Okay.
$56 to 55.
Order item number 56.
56, Mr. Sek, we have rejected it.
Lord, only thing, my lord, I will surrender before the court.
That will make it clear.
Some may.
You may apply before the, for your regular bill before the POXO court.
Some protection may be given, my lord, not 7 days like this, but that was.
This is
my-
any time you can do. There is no need of giving any date, right? Already summons have been issued. You have already appeared before the POXO court and you took time to appear. So you can appear and seek for a bail, no issue.
My lord, some 7 days protection, my lord. That was my earlier prayer also before your lordship.
See, basically, when you're rejecting your bail application, that protection is not there, not required. When is the next date?
For 7 days only.
When is the next date?
My lord,
When is the next date?
tomorrow.
Anyway, this order will not come up till tomorrow. It will be uploaded in the order tomorrow evening. So we'll get it that way. Can take time, have a next date. Not necessary.
Up to 27, my lord.
We are not fixing it. We are not giving any such.
Oblige your lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr.
My lord.
Samoa, say, though Mr. Conacher has filed an application.
Yes, my lord.
Supporting your case. And it was been by the father of the victim girl. But there are 2 minor victim girls who have supported the case in favor of the prosecution. So in that basis, it cannot be considered. You have to reject your case. Deeply. এইটো আহিব ব্ৰাউনৰ আৰু এইটো খনি কৰি আছে খনি কৰে Mr. Goswami may not be aware in the other case that they who was there. Somebody else was there.
Regarding this case,
Mr. Samoa's case.
my lord, yeah, my learned
We are
friend is
there.
there. He is
So in the case of Mr. Sheikh, I forgot who was there. Mr. B. Sharma was there.
Lord.
Okay. And there, not Mr. B. Sharma, the other B.
Yes.
Sharma. Bhaskar Sharma was there.
Okay.
So basically, thing is that there, 2 of the accused persons are already arrested. It's a rape case of a minor, where one of the accused, the first person, was apprehended. He tried to flee away from the police custody.
No.
And it was early in the morning
No.
when the crime scene was prepared.
No.
And then when he fled away, he jumped into a pond. But thereafter, the police could not recover. So the SRDF came. After some time, a day later, his body was recovered by the SRDF persons. Now, after about 2 months, the other 2 accused persons were arrested because of investigation was going on. And then the petitioner hearing is that is the brother-in-law of the one of the accused who had the motorcycle. So he gave the motorcycle to his brother-in-law to dismantle it so that of erasing of the evidence. That's how it is. And those summons have been issued. He evaded arrest during the investigation. Now he's asking for the anticipatory appeal. That's what we have rejected. In fact, he appeared. He personally did not appear. He appeared before the POCSO court and took time on 2 occasions. And then he filed this application. We have asked matter to get the information.
Regarding 18.
182 days or something is there.
181 days, my lord. My lord, no extension file, my lord. 180.
18. Item 18.
You appeared in item 18?
My lord.
Oh, okay. Heard Mr. A. Paramani, counsel appearing, item number 18. Durdona, sir. Corresponding to GR number 1170 within bracket K, public 202. Matter relates to recovery of 21.255 kgs and 7.142 kgs of suspected ganja, together amounting to 28.397 kg from the conscious possession of the petitioners. But the petitioners were arrested on 27/09/2024 in connection with Polasbury PS case number 376/2024 under section 20 within bracket small b within bracket small Roman 2 within bracket small c oblique 29 of the NDPS Act, and are in custody since then. For about 181 days till date. On being inquired, Mr. MP Goswami and additional public prosecutor on instruction submitted that the investigating officer of the case neither filed a search sheet in said Polasbury PS case number such and such. Due to non-receipt of the FSL, neither listener nor file any application before the court for extension of the detention of the petitioners on 180 days on their detention. Considering a book, the petitioners are entitled for default bail in said such 75,000 each, 2 local security each, party condition black lady, including the work in the event they are filing charge sheet. Learned Special Judge NDPS Kamrup, NDPS Session Judge Kamrup at Amingaon. Yes, Mr. Rana.
Yes, Marat, I have already given the figure. Marat, here I have also received the information, Marat. It was recovered from Thugri, Marat. From own house, Marat, father's house. It's the original house. Calcutta, sorry.
Heard Mr. S. Rana. Learned counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Petitioner namely such and such. File this application under section 483 BNSS on 24/03/2025. Praying for his bail in Petitioner PS case number such and such under section such and such. Corresponding to GR number 1481/2025. As for the FIR, there is 17/03/2025 lodged by the complainant before the officer in charge of Bosista Police Station. The case is that on 17/03/2025 in the morning hours, some unknown miscreants entered into her rented house at Gorolia under under the jurisdiction of Pasista Police Station, and had stolen her NTORQ, all capital, scooty bearing registration number AS01F W9707. It is a black purple color NTORQ scooty bill. The police, during investigation, arrested the accused petitioner on date is not here.
My
Mr.
lord,
Rana,
for
on which
case number
date?
16, my lord.
It's not 16.
Case number 16, my lord.
What is the date?
18, 18th, 18th,
On 18.
Forwarding report below.
Oh, yes. 18/03/2025. And recovered the said two-wheeler from the house of the petitioner from Samarai Farm, CHAMRAIPAM, under Sapur Police Station of District Dhubri. Considering the same locator. $50,000 to local charity, one of which shall be his legal heir. Class 1 legal heir. Condition letter dated. Satisfaction of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. Alright. Don't involve in it because the record is very bad.
My lord,
You are a known scooty lifter.
my lord, breaking the my lord.
This matter is not considered and CD is not considered.
She did not receive, my lord. Commercial quantity.
From which police station?
My lord, it's from Katsar, my lord. Alai.
Yeah.
Alai.
Alright.
Drugs has become just like dust everywhere in Assam.
Lordship, my. It's,
The dust particles are available in
yes,
Assam
yes, my lord.
from top to bottom.
Yeah.
I don't know where from.
Yes,
these
my,
people are
sometimes,
getting-
my lord, Lordship, that is
Okay. Is in custody since
within from
November.
November, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Bhushan,
Lordship,
tell us one.
any date, my lord, after Bihu, my lord. 24, 25, subject to convenience.
Do you have any information as to when it was forwarded to?
Regarding, no, my lord, CD, we have not received. My lord. May I see?
Do one thing.
Lordship.
Let us fix on 8
Lordship.
and wait for the report of Mr. Nath, which is fixed on
Lordship, yes, yes.
by the time, because it's a case of November, definitely it was forwarded sometimes in the month of December.
Ma'am, by 2 to 3 days.
So
it has been
probably by this time, the report might come.
Yes.
Now, if it is not FSL material, then no point of keeping him in custody.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll look into that.
Lord.
So for the time being, let us be on 8. Less than 8
Lord.
to verify from the report of the senior government advocate, Mr. Deepak Nath.
Lord. Here also, my lord, CD, we have not received, my lord, commercial quantity.
Same date we agree.
It's from Bongaigaon, my lord.
Okay. Same date we
Same
agree.
date, my lord.
Same order. Good.
Actually, take no mind. Actually, April.
This madam, FSL was short for lunch. NDPS commercial market.
CD, we have received, my lord.
Lordship, I was arrested on 28,
28, 12.
88 days as on.
Not good. Okay. Let it be also 8. Because we want to see the report of
Yes,
Mr.
yes.
Nath first.
Lordship, lordship.
Petitioner hearing is in custody for 84 days as of today. And the section that is involved here is 51 to 123, 22C of NDPS, 25 and 29 of NDPS.
No, no. My lord, here also, my lord, we have received a case there without FSL, my lord. It was FSL sent on 6/1/2025, my lord.
Let it be on 8. Let
My-
the report come first, because we are likely to get a report district wise.
My lord, my
See to that.
lord.
Mr. Goswami and Mr. Sharma also informed that Mr. Nath.
My lord, my lord.
Of this, because FSL is giving us the report.
My lord.
So we'll have it on 8.
On 8th, my lord. 9, 8. No.
Who is appearing for the forest? Name soon or not?
Item given?
Item 27. Lordship,
Name
appear,
shown.
please, Lordship, 8.
You will appear for forest?
I will appear, but my lord.
Lordship, today is Lordship, I am behind the bar, Lordship, 46 days, Lordship. Maximum punishment, Lordship, 7 years, Lordship.
Kindly pick some tomorrow, my lord. File is not with me, my lord. Maybe on my with D Gogoi, my lord. After some time, my lord, I will call.
Here, my lord, service report is awaited, my lord.
Which police station?
It's my lord, Morigaon, my lord.
Lordship, last order, there is no direction to issue notice upon respondent number 2.
Notice man.
issue করা না। Last order, direction is not, no direction is issued. Suppose
Fox of 4, my lord, so notice has to go.
Petitioner. By tomorrow shall take steps for service of notice.
This report will be.
Of this bill application on the informant respond number 2. Placed on. 9th. Decided. The officer in charge of Morigaon Police Station shall apprise the court about the service of notice of the informant respondent. You have the case diary?
No, my lord, it's a seated matter.
Oh. That case will be difficult.
can copies this.
Can be a ten.
Can copies this.
It has come.
Got it.
Okay, we'll have it on 9. Or make it on 8.
No.
Make it on 8. Take steps by tomorrow. Take steps by tomorrow.
8 বলে না 9 বলে?
Eight লিখিত হবে। Eight লিখিত হবে। What?
May I feel the document? 30.
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Lord, can you say?
What is the recovery?
Lord, nothing has been recovered from my possession.
Then why have been taken into custody?
Lordship, actually, the accused person number 3 is a tenant in my house, Lordship. So that is why,
So you are the landlord
yes, Lordship.
and you are not aware of the activities of your tenant.
No, Lordship.
What is your name?
Honey put in, Lordship.
Hanipuddin. Your name is not Hanipuddin. What's your name?
Miss Adi Bora, Lordship. Darshana Bora.
In custody since when?
Miss Lordship, 26/11/24.
30. उसमें kindly come to page 13, my lord.
Who is the tenant in your house?
Exactly the same.
Kindly page 28, my lord.
What is your profession? What do you do?
Worship, I was working in a hotel as waiter.
You work,
Hotel is based near in Mumbai. Lordship. Since last 10 years.
last,
Last 10 years, Lordship.
you work in a hotel
Yes,
at
Lordship.
Mumbai. You work in a hotel at Mumbai.
Yes, Lordship.
Why petitioner went to Sampai? If he was working at Mumbai, why he went to Sampai? Tell us.
Yeah, in your mobile. Yeah. All details.
Itu very good. Very good. MS D Bora, right?
Yes, Lordship.
D Bora.
D. Bora.
Counsel on behalf of Mr. M. Mahmood, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. MP Goswami, and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Petition number such and such. Filed this application on 18/02/2024. For his bail in the NDPS case number such and such under section such and such. Finally, for his bail in special NDPS case number 78/2024. Arising out of Ratnapati police station case in the section. Right. In which he was taken into custody. Corresponding to the number 1436/2024. On 06/11/2024. And in custody since then. Was arrested and in custody. It is contended by the petitioner. 06 no 2611. He is no connected with the case. And works in a hotel at Mumbai as a waiter the last 10 years. As such, the petitioner, considering his detention in custody since 26/11/2024, prayed for his bail. By order dated 03/03/2025, 11 case records. Scan copy of the case records of Rathabadi case number 154/2024, as well as special NDPS case number 78/24 was found. In the court of London, special judge NDPS comes session judge Sri Bhumi. Take your seat. As for the affair at 11/07/2024 lost by the complainant, Sub-Inspector of Rathabadi Police Station. The case is that on receipt of specific information, but reliable information, that large quantity of narcotic drugs suspected to be Yaba tablets were kept concealed in a Alto car bearing registration number AS 23Z6145. It was coming from Kolasiv side of Mizoram and to deliver it at Pathakandi area. Police personnel after entering the same in the general diary proceeded to the relevant place for conduct Naka checking. During Naka checking, the said vehicle was apprehended in presence of independent witnesses, and during search recovered 1,00,0,000 numbers of Yaba tablets, total weighing 10.277 grams. Total here 10277 grams. The petitioner was accordingly apprehended on 26/11/2024 and subsequently it is produced before the learned Court of Additional Session Judge Sri Bhumi. The seized substance after making an inventory, forward to the FSL for his examination and report. The FSL report dated 20/09/2024 affirmed the presence of methamphetamine in such seized tablets involved in the case. Police, after completion of the investigation, submitted a search sheet and said Pathakandi NDPS case number, Pathakandi Ratabadi Police Station case number 154/2024 on 31/12/2024 under section 22 in bracket C/25/29 of the NDPS Act against the petitioner and the others. With 15 numbers of named prosecution witnesses in it. I'll go to date to November, December 13. After submission of the said charge sheet in the APS case number such and such, corresponding to tier number such and such, it was re-registered and numbered as special within bracket NDPS case number 78/2024. And the learned trial court on 08/01/2024 to cognizance of the offences under section 22 within bracket C/25/29 of the NDPS Act against all the accused, all the 4 accused persons of the case, including the petitioner. They said that on 04/03/2025, the Court of London Special Judge NDPS 3 Bhumi in said special within brackets NDPS case number 78/2024 frame charge under section 22 in bracket C/25/29 of the NDPS Act against all the 4 petitioners of the case, including the petitioner. And 04/03/2025 was the date fixed. No, 4/04/04/2025 petitioner.
The records of the case. Indicates that the accused persons, two of the accused persons of the case. Indicates that two of the accused persons reached Sampai, Mizoram to pick up the consignment of drug from Zakir Hussain and another and the petitioner who were already present at Sampai. And those two accused persons, Motli Bali and Nazmul Hussain, after picking up the consignment of drugs, returned back to Patharkandi from Karimganj. The CDR analysis of the mobile phones of the petitioner and the other three accused persons of the case clearly indicates their existence together and that the petitioner was constantly in touch with the other three accused persons. Till such NDPS item was lifted by the other two accused persons of the case. The search sheet of the case clearly indicates the connection of the petitioner along with the other accused persons and their constant touch over the mobile phones pertaining to the supply and delivery of the consignment of drugs, put in bracket Java tablets, from Mizoram to Karimganj. Considering such materials and the detention of the petitioner in custody since 26/11/2024 cannot be considered correct. Hence rejected. Yes, Mr. Botagul.
We have, my lord, right, the case has been charge sheeted, offense report is everything.
46, please, Lordship, behind the bar, Lordship. Go on, please.
Now, as per the amendment, it is the district, the session judge.
Session.
Heard Mr. N. Allow Markey, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. P. Borthakur, right?
I bought it.
I Borthakur. Learned counsel appearing, learned standing counsel forest department for the opposite party state. By this application and section 483 BNSS. Petitioner namely filed on 1802. Petitioner namely for his bail, NDPS case number such and such. NDPS GT entry number 011 ER oblique offense oblique 14 within bracket A 2024-25 oblique 207 under section 9 oblique 39 and 50 oblique 51 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, in which he was arrested on
10 February. 10 February.
produced on 11th.
Yes.
11/02/2025. And in custody since then. It is submitted that considering his length of detention since 11/02/2025, the petitioner should be considered for his bail. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Borthakur, learned standing counsel for his department, placed the offense report number ER/01 dated 10/02/2025. Filed inside Kotkoti police check post. No. Case number to under section 9, 39 within bracket 1 within bracket small b within bracket small d oblique 50 and 51 within bracket 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 against the petitioner. Was apprehended while transporting a carcass of a barking deer with its two with his two-wheeler bearing registration number NL-07-ED-0216. Considering the above, the petitioner since the offense report has already been filed on 10/02/2025 in said such and such query, the petitioner may approach the appropriate forum for his regular bail. You do not have the case number, now only it will be placed before the session judge.
Lordship, it will.
Where it will have a case number.
Yes, sir.
Appropriate forum petitioner before the learned session judge. Karbi Anglong, Deepu. With the above observation, this bill application stands in this book.
Direction will be given.
Yes, you file appropriate for your regular bill.
Direction will be given, Lordship. Yeah.
What direction? He is free to do any order. Why should you bind him? Correctly. Same thing, I don't know, Rupam feels it is. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice on the informant response number 2 by tomorrow, serving copy of this bail application. The public prosecutor Assam Guwahati has got Guwahati to the registry of this court. Placed on. In custody since when?
My lord, today is 182 days, since my lord date of arrest on 25/9/2024. And out of 9 witnesses, my lord, 4 witnesses are examined, including the informant and the victim.
Okay. It has to come from North Lakhimpur.
My lord,
Well,
Bipuria, my lord.
take steps by tomorrow.
My lord, I will.
We'll have it on 9th.
My lord.
Placed on 9th, enabling the officer in
Oh,
charge of
9/4.
North
9/4.
Lakhimpur Police
9.
Station. Apprise the court about the service of notice of the informant response number 2.
Object, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, we allow to some time.
My lord, today, my lord, Mr. Senior Sharma will argue the matter, my lord. He has gone through, my lord, today.
Okay, we'll wait for some time.
My lord, he is there, my lord. He is there.
Nothing much to say. Let Mr. Sharma say.
Fine.
From your side, nothing to say.
May I please? Sir, in this case, although 2 petitioners are there, Lordship, one was arrested.
Huh?
Sir, petitioner number 1 had already been arrested.
Petition number 2 is on interim.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Mr. Sharma, the case diary.
My lord, case there, receive my lord. He has gone through, my lord. Okay.
The whole allegation against the opposition.
Give it to us, give it to us. He appeared before the, okay. We'll not
My
be
lord.
doing.
My lord, he is coming. I got it.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
this is from Abhayapuri case. The petition number 1 was already arrested.
Yes, my lord.
And the number 2 is on interim.
My lord.
Since November.
Yes, my lord. My lord, his statement, my lord. Statement, ready করছে না? Statement to 9. Last statement, Haider Ali. It is already arrested.
Mujibur Rahman.
Yes, my lord. Mujibur Rahman statement, my lord, I have not found, my lord.
Yes, there is up to which date?
It is, my lord, up to.
Last entry.
Yes, my lord, it is 11/3, my lord. My lord, just 1 minute, my lord. It is Mojibuddin. Ito নাম? Mojibuddin. It is a teacher, no. No, my lord, his statement is not there.
No, the investigation report is up to which date? In
My
your
lord?
case diary.
My lord. It is 11/3, my lord. Give it to us, give it to us. I'll get it. Mojipur Rahman. Well. After 111, there is no order. And the last page is of no meaning. The case there is not there. The statement of the, one of the accused was recorded, that is of Hyder Ali, I think so. On 29th of October. Then basically no entry. Mr. Sharma. Ask the XIO as to when he appeared, the petitioner appeared before him, and when he recorded his statement. We are fixing it next Friday. Failing use, he has to appear. Till then. Why he has forwarded the case, there is simply like this.
Yes, my lord, that, just one page
Nothing. And ask the IO. He has to explain. He cannot forward a case diary like this. You'll be in trouble.
Your lordship has directed several times earlier.
We have seen that is why he has forwarded.
Interim
You
order,
better ask him to come.
interim order.
Mr. Sharma, My lord, not, my lord. They cannot take you on ride like this.
My lord, last chance may be given, my lord.
This is not the way to make a representation before the court. This is not the way. Ask him to come.
My-
On 7th. Less than 7. And they said that the concerned investigating officer will personally appear before this court at 10:30 AM. With the up-to-date case diary. Case number GSS. Yes,
My lord, interim maker.
retain the case diary, Mr. Sharma.
My lord.
Send it back.
My lord.
Now, Mr. Sharma, here 47, 48.
Yes.
Apparently from this annexes.
Certified copy also. Because we
Both 47, 48 not followed. What do you have to say? Item number 50, 51 and 52. Provisions are 47, 48 of the BNSS.
Yes, my lord. My lord, actually, my lord,
No escape. It is
My lord,
not because of the judgment, but it is a provision of the BNSS. It was also a provision in the 1970 CRPC that prior to that also. Tell us, what do you have to say?
actually, my lord, section 57 was complied, my lord. Because, my lord, at the
If
time.
you complied with section 57, then 47, 48 not required to be complied with, or what?
No,
Is
no,
that the
no.
BNSS says?
My lord.
What is the requirement?
Yes, my lord.
If you can show that 57 compliance is sufficient. Kindly read 57.
Yeah.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
do you have the BNS with you?
My lord. BNS, my lord.
Yes, BNSS.
BNSS, my lord.
Now you come to the contents, the very beginning of the book.
My lord.
You'll get it before the page number starts, it will one page, it will come. 1, 2, 3, something like that. Contents of the case. The contents of the act. Got it?
My lord, just a minute.
Early, very first part itself.
My
You have the contents?
Oh, concept. Yes, my lord.
Got it? The contents of the BNSS.
My lord.
Here you will see chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Have you noticed?
My lord.
We come to chapter 5.
My lord.
Now this chapter 5 relates to what?
Arrest the persons.
It contains how many sections? From section 35?
35 to my lord, 62.
Now, if you read the objection regions of the CRPC 11 sections 50, 50A, which have been come after the judgment of the apex court, incorporated in the, it is after amended in 1973. And if you see the recent BNSS, if you see the objection regions of the BNSS, they have specially incorporated these sections together under chapter 5. So here, if you read the objection regions,
just before. That's why your team should work hard. What is not there. So you will see they are the lawmakers. In fact, there was a big deal of study before bringing in this BNSS. And there was also a big team comprising of not only the heads of the particular states, but also there are many educationists, many experts from the law, basically work on it. It's available in the network. You can go to the website and read. And you'll realize why these things has been, what are the reasons. So it is not only section 57, you are supposed to comply with section 47, 58, because that has the relation with Article 21. And you cannot escape these provisions. That's the right of the accused. It's good that Honorable Apex Court through that judgment have opened your eyes. It was already there. That is what is more important. And in the other case, that's why I have pointed out before the amendment itself, before the judgment of the Apex Court, our High Court has, in a division bench, in the case of Ajit Sharma, has considered that as well. You see, at that point, that was of course a proceeding under section 483. Ajit Sharma was a lecturer of Handy College. He was heading the Teachers Association, Professors Association. He was a socialist, belongs to social party. Regime was of some different government. He was arrested. He was in hesitation. Probably Mr. Das will know, because his elder sisters were appearing in the examinations at that point of time. The university exams could not be conducted in those years because of that hesitation of the college teachers. That is the background. That's how the Ajit Sharma's case filed. He was arrested, and then in that case, the division bench of our High Court has in the case of Ajit Sharma passed with that. So wonderful. If you go through those things, you'll realize. It is reported in AIR Guwahati.
Your watching was mentioned there in the bail application files.
No, that's what, these are the facts, how we are all students of law.
Yes. All has been mentioned by this court.
The background of Ajit Sharma is just telling you.
Yes, it has been mentioned. If I saw it.
You cannot escape this.
Sometimes we can't escape.
Normally, it was not compliant. We can understand that police personnel, after the Ernest Kumar's judgment, they have formulated the formats. But now they have to work again because this is their rights under the Constitution. And probably now anybody will come before the court. You have to
Now coming.
escape. It's a violation of the constitutional provision.
Lots of petitions are coming on.
And that is the reason the Apex Court have clarified that since it's a constitutional provision which has been violated, they have to be released forthwithly.
I think one or two judgments, after getting the judgment from the Supreme Court and the High Court, I think they will be cautious and they will.
No, I think now the Director of Prosecution has been appointed. That team should work very hard and immediately, of course, now those who have been arrested in violation of those provisions, there is no escape. But at least in now onwards, they have to be more cautious.
Yes.
And these things have come because every time you will see at various stages of the administration, the police personnel are used for various reasons. There are always a higher handedness on their side. And that is why these provisions are there to protect the arrestees from their rights. Mr. Sharma, is there anything for you to say? Except 57, anything has been complied with?
But my lord, here, my lord, in the FIR, my lord, the FIR dated, my lord, it is 17/5/2024. BNSS, my lord, came, my lord, in July.
When he was arrested.
59. 59.
The date when he was arrested, BNSS was there or not? Forget
Yeah.
BNSS, CRPC 50 and 58.
Yes.
You cannot escape 50 and 50 of this CRPC in that case.
My
But
lord,
here is a case where the petitioner has been arrested after the BNSS came into force.
that is right.
That's because the judgment relates to BNSS, you cannot say that it has not have the 50-50.
Sometimes, my lord, I remember in the advocate general of Mizoram, I also face, not in this case, certain case we find the law is such, but the executive passes an order, we have to concede in the court. How your lordship also is bound. Even your lordship knows the consequences also his lordship is bound. No one can escape.
See, when the matter relates to NDPS Act or other heinous crime, you look at the judgments of the apex courts and our high courts, you'll see there they have to release on bail. In fact, there are cases where you will see that even because of the violation of the constitutional provisions, you are supposed to release them. Complying the provisions, you can also arrest them immediately thereafter. That is the apex court. There are at least handful of few cases where the subsequent arrest following the due procedure have been upheld by the apex.
Let me tell.
So by this time, you should have made everything ready. Got
Yes.
it?
Yes,
So
my
that in one hay he goes out, the other he comes in.
Mm.
This is only a protection given because he can approach the court for his pay, right? And he must be made aware of the provisions under which you have been going to arrest him. He has the right to know.
Well,
What it is to inform his family member.
that is a clearly stated.
So tell us what to do.
Oh, no, that lapse is
Mr.
there. my-
Das,
That lapse is there, my lord, that is evident. my
so
lord.
you can't escape. The
Yes.
constitution. The UT background of section 50 and 50A, you'll see the judgment of the apex court why section 50 has been, particularly 50A has come in.
Mm.
There it has been discussed in detail. That is why the amendment. Before that judgment, that is why saying Adit Sharma judgment was here. Prior to that judgment of the apex. So pass the order.
My lord.
Administrators. আমার কাছে meeting এ পাচ্ছি। We'll try to get it out the order today because we have a very important meeting today. I can tell you, there are certain judgments passed by the apex court, which escapes our notice unless it is brought to us. Certain thing has done, so lordship will also be there in that meeting. We have to reconsider certain decisions. So in that meeting, some time might. So we'll come back after that meeting, we'll dictate this order.
It's okay, no problem. DP office.
Mm.
Yes, we wanted the medical report. of the
Medical
victim.
report, my lord, not furnished, my lord, not received.
Got it or not?
No, not my lord.
Get it.
My lord.
That's what we wanted for. Otherwise, the man is running helter-skelter.
As per my instructions, medical has not been done.
No, if it is not done, not done.
Not done, my report should come, my lord.
That report should get it from the
My
IO,
lord, my lord,
right?
my lord.
That's what the order was passed on 6/3.
Yes, my lord.
Have you communicated or not?
My lord, after that, my lord, we have communicated on my lord, 7, no? 7-3. 7-3, my lord.
Then IO has to explain. Yes, Lordship.
You have the case diary.
My lord, I have
Just
the,
person for a while, just person.
my lord.
Itu tahu ya kan asal. Heard Mr. Azad Ahmed, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma.
My lord, he will also appearing.
Oh, yes, yes.
Lordship,
Right, counsel appearing for.
my learned
the
senior is on leg, your lordship, Mr. S. Nawaz.
Also heard Mr. S. Nawaz, non amicus curiae appearing for the respondent number 2, informant respondent number 2. By this application under section 482 BNSS, the petitioner, namely Section Judge has filed this application on 18/11/2024. Praying for his pre-arrest bail in Suksar Police Station, case number 72/2024 under section 143, sub 65(1) in BNSS, section 6(1) of the PSL. As for the FIR, dated 2/11/2024, laws before the officer in charge of Suksar Police Station the case is that the FIR name accused persons of the case in the morning around 7 on 31/10/2024 with the help of the accused number 2 took away his minor daughter aged about 14 years 6 months by inducing her taking her in a car to an unknown place and confined her there and confined her in such place. When he went to the house of the accused persons to inquire about his minor daughter. He was threatened by their family members of the dire consequences. As such-
Informant is lady, she, but informant is lady.
She liquid. Our daughter liquid. Legally, the affair was lost. And Sukshar Police Station case number 72/2024 under section such and such and such. Corresponding to GR number 461/461 and 461/2024. Registered under section that correspond to such and such. It is seen from the case that he placed before the court that during investigation, police seized the certificate, birth certificate of the victim girl. Which indicates that her date of birth is 06/02/2010. And as such, on the date of the incident, on Mandila Depu. Zero 0602.
And the petitioner is also a juvenile law. He was at that time 15 or 15 years, 3 months.
On the date of the incident was 14 years, 8 months. 25 days. As such, the investigating officer of the case on 06/11/2024 filed an application before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Rishabh Salman Mankacha to add section 65 within bracket 1 of the BNS, reduce section 6 within bracket 1 of the PSUS Act in said Sukshar Police Station case number 72/2024. Already registered under section 140 within bracket 3 of 61 within bracket 2 of 351 BNSS. Being satisfied on after due verification and being satisfied, the Lord Chief Judicial Magistrate. No. The Lord Judicial Magistrate First Class South Salmora Mankacha. By order dated 06/11/2024 in said 6 PS case number 72/2024. Added section 65 within 1 of the BNS, reduced section 6 in bracket 1 of the PSS Act. Clarifying that the Suksar PS case number 72/2024 shall be read as under section 140 within bracket 3 oblique 61 within bracket 2 oblique 351 oblique 65 within bracket 1 BNS, reduced section 6 within bracket 1 of the PSUS Act. Original birth certificate.
Yes, Lordship. Page, last page, Lordship. 19, page 19.
Okay. Read 438-4. Out of BNS.
Yeah.
483, 482,
yes.
4, not 438, 482, 4. 480.
That was admitted, the 438.
Kindly read.
Others not see.
We are not saying anything. Kindly read.
Subsection 4 lordship.
Yeah.
483. Oh,
482.
Yes.
4 BNSS.
Yes.
482, then read 4.
Yes. Nothing in this section shall apply to any case involving the arrest of any person on accusation of having committed an offence under section 65, subsection 2 of section 70 of Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita.
So here is a provision. The added section is 65(1).
Yes.
So victim is less than 16 years old.
So there is
So-
here is mentioned 65 subsection 2.
Kindly read. You are reading wrongly.
Lordship, nothing in this section shall apply to any case involving the arrest of any person on accusation of having committed an offence under section 65 and yes, subsection 2 of section 70.
Then what will happen? Such various bill applications are not maintainable. So if it is not maintainable, why should you entertain your case?
In some cases, Lordship,
We cannot do anything. You ask the BNSS people, not the court. As such, this bill application, the petitioner filed under section 482, being not maintainable under section 482, within bracket 4 of the BNS, stands rejected. Written by the-
My lord, as per information, charge sheet submitted, my lord.
Number
Charge sheet number 92 of 24, dated 23/12/24.
92 of 2024,
My lord,
dated
23/12/2024.
already. Petitioner shall approach the appropriate forum on or before 9. Till then. For his regular billing. Till then. Stands stage 4.
Okay.
Verma.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I read that.
Medical opinion and say that.
One, two, one, 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 two, three. Yes, Mr. Goswami.
My lord, page 7, my lord, out of total 4 accused. Now, this is 482 application filed by accused number 1, 3, and 4. Because accused number 2 was arrested and he was released on bail by the special court of Petitioner. Now, this three petitioners, my lord, petition number 3 is the father. And accused number 2 is the brother of the
My lord. There 183 statement is here, my lord.
One thing is that, my lord, here we have not received the medical report, my lord. Last IO note, my lord, it is said that they are unable to collect the, my lord, medical
It
report.
is only photograph, my lord.
Otherwise, our statement is, my lord, very specific, my lord.
Specific as the paisa ticket.
165 कैसे लगेगा? 165 कैसे लगेगा? नहीं कैसे लगेगा? तो प्रॉब्लम है. कितने एलिगेशन होते हैं?
यार किसी एक नंबर बाकी तो नहीं.
अगर जो मैंने यहाँ भी पढ़ा है बहुत को वो मुझे मेरे मार्केट पढ़ा मैंने
अरे तो कोई इंजरी हुआ था.
तेरे कौन सा होता मैंने लिख लिया है. ठीक है. ओके कोई है नहीं. ओके कोई है नहीं. बड़ा पांच. तेल बड़ा.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is the role of the petition number 2 and 3?
My lord, regarding the petition number two arrested perhaps 3 and or 2 and 3, my lord.
One has been arrested. One was arrested.
Arrested, one earlier
And he was released on bail, you say?
Yes, sir.
my lord.
So accepting,
My lord, in 183, my lord, main allegation against the so-called, my lord. And others assaulted when.
there is no assault.
My lord.
There is forceless sandbag, that's all.
Oh, my lord.
But Mr. Goswami, counsel is very. Miss Brown, there is nothing against the present two petitioners. Against the number one, he was already arrested.
Hmm?
The petitioner's name.
No, it is
BNSS. 06122022. Sorry, 061206022025. For the appearance, bill in Petitioner, sorry, case number 21 of Petitioner for education. Corresponding to site. Nine. As for the FIR dated 26/01/2025. Laws by the informant opposite party number 2. Before the Biswanath police station.
Yeah,
The case is that His sister, the minor girl, studying in class 8. And the petition number 1 tried to establish a love relation with her and harassing her since long. Recently, the petition number 1 forcefully took away his minor sister and photographed some obscene some obscene photograph of her and made it viral. When the complainant along with others went to the house of the petitioner number 1 on 25/09, 25/01/2025 in the evening around 7, and objected pertaining to the such act of the petition number 1 in uploading such obscene photographs of his sister, his sister. The petition number 2 and 3 says them out. With bamboos and sticks in their hand.
17 years.
Intending to assault him, having no alternative. The left, they escaped from the safe place to save their life. So the affair of the complainant was accordingly registered as variety. Petition number 1 and petition number 2 are the sons of petition number 3. Mr. Goswami Ranade, counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the petition number 1 was already arrested.
No, Lordship. Petitioner number 1 was not arrested, but
Excuse number 2 in the FIR, my lord.
This is Syed Ali. He was arrested and released on, this is the order, my lord.
Okay. Petition number 2 was arrested and also released on bail.
Petitioner number 2, not my lord. In the FIR, 4 accused persons are there, my lord. Here, 1 arrested, my lord, in the FIR. Here, petitioner is 3, my lord. They are not arrested.
Yes.
Where was the case that he placed before the court? FIR named accused person number 3. FIR name was arrested and was subsequently released on bail. The remaining 3 remaining 3 accused persons in the FIR are before. From the case they replaced before the court, it is seen that the statement of the victim girl under section 183 BNSS was recorded by the learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Petitioner Sariali on 30/01/2025. The victim girl, the minor victim girl, implicated the petitioner number 1 of committing forceful sexual act on her. Only for 2 and 3.
Obliged. May I please your lordship?
My lord, here, service complete, my lord. Lordship may open any amicus statement.
ये मनीषा के भाई You are Mr.
Service complete.
TL Oscar. Go ahead.
TL Oscar for the petition.
No,
T.G.
CD.
Sharma.
CD also received, my lord. It was service complete, sir. My amicus statement, I'm hearing to you.
In case round list on बाकी कितने party को Court
My lord.
reflecting the name of Miss Brown.
Yeah.
There is another case today, item number 42.
You are open.
Lordship.
You have incorporated your name as an MI.
Lordship. Lordship. Item number 42 may be listed on 9th April.
Not on 9/8.
8. Copy आता है ना? Copy आता है. Well, in the last occasion, Lordship was pleased to take instruction whether he has appeared or not, my lord, before the IO. I have confirmed, my lord, it was appeared, my lord. Appeared statement recorded, my lord. When it was no. The interim is how do you do?
Petitioner namely such and such, Art Friday. MSA Taluk, council appearing for the petition. And Mr. D. Sharma. File this application, apprehending his arrest. The petitioner namely such and such. File this application on 24/02/2025. Praying for his PRS bail. In further PS case number such and such. 100% such and such. Corresponding to PR number 34/2025. Matter relates to taking away the car of the informant. By the accused petitioner. And
did not handed over the vehicle to him, kept it in his garage. By order dated 27/02/2025, the court will call for the records of further PS case number such and such. Entered in interim way to the petition. By order dated 18/03/2025, the court directed the concerned investigating officer to apprise the court as to whether petitioner appeared before him in said further PS case or not, and whether his statement has been recorded according to the said PS case. Today on instruction, Mr. B. Sharma, additional public purchase submitted that the petitioner pursuant to the interim bail dated 27/02/2025 appeared before the concerned investigating officer of Poprada PS case number 20/20, and his statement has already been accepted, and that he is cooperating with the investigation. Considering this, absolutely comes to court.
Well, CDB return letter.
They have submitted not the vehicle FIR that is in the custody of the police that may not be released. sometime.
Now the matter has been done, you can always ask for Jimma.
Remember.
May I please lordship. Well, in this case, my lord, petitioner number 1 is my lord ex-Indian Army lordship. The informant is my lord, was his business partner lordship and the tenant of the petitioner's paternal property lordship. Earlier, my lord, several my lord, litigation is also pending, my lord. Two litigation, one is NI Act, my lord, complaint case, my lord, another civil case lordship filed by the petitioners, my lord. Other, my lord, earlier two, my lord.
Whether it will be a civil case or it's a criminal case.
My lord, kindly see, nexus, my lord, my lord, background of the affair lordship. My lord, earlier also, my lord, one, Ovaipuri PS case number 66 of 2022 lordship. Under section 394 was filed, submitted against the, my lord, lodged against the petitioner and his family members lordship. Another is, my lord, 360, under section 395 lordship. Another, my lord, affair was lodged against the family petitioner and his family members lordship. Because of my lord, dispute, my lord, litigations, my lord, to harass, my lord, to compromise, my lord, this type of, my lord, affair was first lodged against the family members lordship. Now, recently, my lord, this circumstance was created, my lord, false, my lord, malicious affair was, my lord, made out, story was made out lordship, my lord, against, again, affair has been lodged against the petitioner lordship and his family members lordship. My lord, kindly see the honorable court order lordship in that case lordship. My lord, same set of, my lord, accused lordship, my lord, same person, my lord, lodged affair. This honorable court, my lord, protected the petitioner by interim order. Then after, my lord, receiving CD lordship, cash diary lordship, by order, that order, my lord, at case 48 lordship. Kindly see lordship. On the ground of, my lord, litigations pending lordship, civil case, criminal cases lordship, the 438 petition was granted lordship. This is absolutely lordship, malicious affair lordship. Earlier also done lordship, two affairs were granted, my lord, lodged, my lord, on the, my lord, false, my lord, concocted stories lordship, attracting section 395, 394 lordship. This time, my lord, affair was lodged, my lord, attracting offenses of this, my lord, likeness or lordship. Just to harass lordship, he is the, my lord, tenant of the petitioner's paternal property lordship. The paternal farm is also operating in the land of the petitioner's father lordship. And then again, that, my lord, civil suit is pending lordship. Eviction suit is pending lordship. Only because of this, my lord, the family has been, my lord, harassed by the, my lord, depot or petrol depot on our lordship. In such a case, my petitioner should be protected lordship. He is a, my lord, Indian ex-army militia. He, my lord, have served the nation lordship. Now he has been harassed by lord because of, my lord, litigations, pendency of litigations lordship. The petrol pump is operating lordship, my lord, 24-hours it is operated lordship. How this type of, my lord, offense is committed lordship? It cannot be, my lord, it is not possible lordship. 24 hours it is open lordship, it is operated lordship. How it will be done lordship? This is impracticable lordship. My lord, is in Indian ex-army, my lord, allegation is, my lord, theft against him, lordship. Against the family members. He is not having any criminal background, lordship. Just, my lord, no other person has any, my lord, allegation against him. Just the same person, my lord, repeatedly has been causing affair, lordship. Kindly see, lordship, this honorable court's order, my lord, page 47, lordship.
মিটিংখন কেতিয়া তাৰে চাৰি এটা আচ্ছা Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
did they appear before the IO?
Oh, my lord.
On or before 29th? Okay.
My lord.
And get the up-to-date case diary by 23rd of April.
My lord.
50,000 each, two local security each. Appear before the IO, condition get a ticket. Up-to-date case diary, list on 23rd April. Or make it some more time, 29th of April.
My lord, 29.
Much obliged.
May I please your lordship. My lord, affair is phase, my lord, 16.
My lord, here,
It's my lord, 4 years old, my lord.
so is here, my lord.
My lord, here, my lord, my humble submission prepare your lordship. Kindly, my lord, examine the whether the, my lord, the petitioner involved in the ILS offense or not, my lord.
Have you received the notice?
My lord.
Yes, your lord, I have take statement.
On the 18th of March. So it has to come from Suksar.
My lord.
Yes, sir.
When can you tell us from Dhubri?
My lord.
Okay, you one thing.
My lord.
You have not received a case there, or you
Yes, they receive, my lord. We have received case there.
you give it to let us know by 4th.
My lord.
List on 4th.
4th.
Enabling the officer in charge of Suksar police station to apprise the court about the service of notice of this bail application. Pre-arrest bail application. And the informant. Respondent number 2.
Yes. Okay. My please, your lordship.
Okay, I have received the key.
This would have been in this case, lordship.
It will call it after motion. You have the record.
Lordship.
It will come up tomorrow after motion. You
Lordship.
have to rise because of a meeting at 4:30.
Lordship.
What is the next? Tomorrow it will cut it after motion.
Much obliged.
53, you have the case there.
My lord, we have received the case there, but it was FSL not received, my lord. Therefore, we have also included in the list, my lord.
From which police station?
My lord,
Rupuhi.
Rupuhi, my lord.
Let us have it on, when we have fixed it, 7th or 8th something.
8.
On 8. Yes, minus 54 minutes, the AV minus, charge sheeted minus. I have appeared on charge sheeted.
53 on 8 after the report was submitted by Senior Government Advocate Mr. Dina. You are on 54.
54.
So, do you have the charge sheet number?
Charge sheet number, I don't have, my lord, PP can get it.
Item number?
54.
54, right?
Yes.
54 minus, yeah, yes, yes. The charge sheet number, minus. Charge sheet number, minus 22 of the 25. Yeah, that 28 to 25. People, no? 24, 24.
That's right.
Appear before the appropriate forum
My lord.
on or before 10th of April.
I'm applying for
Till then-
informant.
Or you have to number.
You remain on interim bail in check.
Already.
Applicable is applied.
I'm applying for the informant.
Yes, yes. BP Gupta. For the informant. But we could. It's good. Okay. খালি সেইটো এটাই থাকিব খালি we'll take it after motion tomorrow. You just mark it what to be looked into. খালি কিমান কেজি
48 number.
I was
48.